Did someone say pizza pizzazz?
Grab a frozen store-bought pizza and add some pizzazz. It's a pizza pizzazz party.
Good. Yeah! I have my store-bought pizza right here. I'm going to try making a creamed spinach pizza. I'll be using Green Giant spinach, frozen. Green Giant came to be because of their peas, which were developed in 1925. Their peas were famous because they were green and they were giant. I need to start by microwaving my frozen spinach. There's been multiple Jolly Green Giants. The original one wasn't even green. To that, I'm going to add a little squirt of creamy-ish Italian dressing. The one I'm using is Robusto and a generous amount of Parmesan cheese. Mix it in there. Ho, ho, ho! Green Giant. He made his TV debut in 1954. I'll be spreading this onto the pizza. Cover that with some more cheese and bake it according to directions. There's a 55-foot, 4-ton statue in Blue Earth, Minnesota. It's huge, and I've seen it. Creamed spinach pizza? Creamy! I love it, and so will you. Oh, oh, oh! Thank you so much for watching.